Okay, it's recording now. Would I stop it?
No.
Do you know where any of the pages are?
Yeah, there's one on a big tree.
Yeah, but sure, I don't know where that is. I hope this gets rid of my hiccups. What the fuck?
It's the bear now, it's not. It is, yeah.
Oh, there it is, look.
Yeah. You just click it.
What do you mean I have to click it?
You just click to get the page.
I don't like that noise. I'm gonna see him soon as he's on it. Oh.
You got moving paper face mask over. We've got face mask everywhere.
I'll just...
Oh, okay, I'll do the torch and you do
No, you do both of them.
No, you do that and I'll do the torch, okay?
I'm running away!
That was good.
Because you know when it goes fuzzy, you start running. Do you ever... when you have the hiccups too... Ah! Fence!
Fence.
Yeah, two
yeah,
pages.
we got 2 pages. Oh, we are legends. What is it?
Oh my god,
it's
the
a
fence!
Oh my god,
It's
we're
a
top of the fence! Oh. It was so funny earlier. I'm running away!
Oh! I got cookie on my thingy! Give me the torch! Jesus Christ. It's like broken or something.
What?
Oh!
Ooh,
Oh. I miss having... You know when you have the hiccups for a while and then they go and you're just like...
Like when you have a bit of meat in your tooth.
Yeah.
And then you get rid of it and then you miss it.
Because like, you had them for so long and then you're just like...
You don't feel complete with it anymore.
What am I going to do with my life now? I feel safe there. Do you?
No.
I've completely lost it. Do you know where we're going to end up?
Where?
Back to that fucking building. Oh Jesus, Susanna.
Where can we?
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if I can do it again, Emily.
That was so scary.